Well, hi there. Are you looking at me? It's always so good to be noticed. My name is Elizabeth. I'm with GRB Enterprises, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about digital technology. You do look surprised to see me. Yes, I am here. Well, virtually. I do like to look my best. So, what do you think? Do I look better in camouflage or in pink? Either way, I get so much attention anywhere I go. It's just amazing. I'm virtually everywhere these days. You do know it's a bit rude to stare. Obviously, I've caught your eye, but it's okay. I really don't mind. But I must ask, would you have been so interested in me if you thought I was real? Well, here's my little secret. I am real. Very real. Still interested? I don't mind if you take a closer look. I won't take it personally. However, I do look just a little flat from behind. Oh well, I'd like for you to get to know me. I should tell you that I'm available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to help you deliver your message. I'm never nervous, and I don't get tired. I'm not temperamental, and actually I can speak for hours on end to your customers. And I never take a break. I can say exactly what you want said, and I make no mistakes. Well, we shouldn't waste any more time. Admit it, you're still so interested in me, aren't you? I'm ready to learn all about your business. I truly think if we work this out, we could have a great future together. We could deliver your message with real personality, very professionally, and with no mistakes. Really now, doesn't that sound interesting? So, let's make it happen. Now it's your time to enter our virtual world.